Hmm. Hello, this is the Question Week questionnaire video. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Satya, and I'm from the DA batch from the Masai. My student ID is FD4 41 470044. Yeah, thank you.
So, are you ready for the questions?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So, my first question is what is the scope of project and why did you choose the same?
Okay, talking about the scope of the project, that is to analyze the job market for the data related job roles which are globally available. I collected the data from the APIs, historical sources like Kaggle, and also scraped the Glassdoor like websites. I choose these because the data field is very rapidly growing and also evolving. And understanding the trends in skills, industries, salaries, and geography can be highly valuable for the job seekers and also for the employees. That's why I select this project.
Okay, so my next question is what is the most challenging technical problem you encountered and how did you resolve it?
Okay, the most challenging problem is collecting the data because eventually for making the analysis, we are not provided with the data and we need to search for it. So it's the most challenging part, I think. And second most challenging part is dealing with the inconsistent and incomplete data from different resources that I have collected from the APIs, which gave the different fields and format, also the missing values. I resolve this by creating through the data cleaning pipelines in Power Query and also Python by using handling missing values, standardizing format, mapping it, and filtering it the outliers also.
Okay, so my next question is what specific technology did you use and why did you choose them?
Okay, so I use particularly Power BI for the dashboard creation because of its strong visualization capabilities and very ease for integration with the different data sources. I previously I wanted to go for the Streamlit, but it's really not that much good for the dashboard creation, which is actually good for the apps and all. So I select the Power BI. Python was initially for the data preparation, cleaning, because it's very flexible, efficient for the handling the large data set. And again, Rapid API platform for the getting the free API key, and Glassdoors where for the real-time jobs, and the Kaggle dataset for the historical content. Thank
It was a nice answer. Did
you.
you, and my next question is, did you encounter any performance issues and how did you identify and address them?
Okay, so yes, I do face this issue. When loading the large data set in the Power BI, I face the performance slowdowns. I identified the issue by monitoring the refresh time and visual loading delays. I optimize the performance by reducing the data set size, removing the unnecessary columns which are not really important, and then aggregating the data where possible and disabling the auto refresh for the heavy visuals.
Nice. So my next question is, can you explain a situation where you had to make a critical decision that impacted the project decision?
Yeah, obviously. Midway, I had to decide whether to continue only with the real-time scrape data or supplementary historical data. So I choose to include the Kaggle historical data because the real-time data alone didn't show a long-term trends, and also we are not able to scrap the data which like from for a year or for a 2 year. So that's why I include the historic data in the same to see some kind of a trends over there, and adding the historical data is provided much better insight, I think so, and the visualization also.
Excellent. So my last question is, what would you do differently if you were to start this project over again?
Okay, so this is very nice question, and I really wanted to start this project again because it's very demandable, and the market analysis is something very nice. And yeah, for the answer of this question is that like if I have ever started the project again, I would like to design clearer data models for beginning, from the beginning with relationship and hierarchies planned ahead instead of adjusting at in the midway. This would have saved time and cleaning the reformatting during the visualization stage. And also, if I started the project again, I would like to add all the jobs, not only the data related job, all the jobs like a software engineering, software development, etc. So maybe someone can use this same analysis uh, for their first job. Yeah, thank you.